What's up, guys? Today we're going to be installing an aux connection on a 2008 Mitsubishi Eclipse. A lot of these cars came with an aux connection from factory. That's why we're able to do this. What we're going to be using today, we're going to get to the harness in the back of the car, and then you connect this 3 pins to the factory connector, and it's going to allow you to have either RCA inputs, or you can use this regular 3.5 millimeter connector. What we're going to be using though is a Bluetooth receiver. We're going to be using the Aukey today. We bought this at Amazon, and there's going to be a link in the description to if you want to buy one of these. Same for the harness. I believe this was like $14.99, and the harness was about the same price. So yeah, let's get started. When you purchase this cable, it does come with instructions. It shows you where you need to put your pins in, and we are using the 6 CD changer. And oh, this card has a Rockford Fosgate from factory. It's a whole system. I believe it's a 9-speaker setup. We were originally planning to do a complete system, but then we found out that this one's actually pretty good, so we're gonna end up using the stock one. One of the speakers is blown, so in the future we do plan on replacing the speakers, the 2 front speakers, and we're gonna use sound deadener to improve the quality of the sound. That's gonna be in a different video. So first thing we want to do is take apart the dash. And by the way, we're just winging this. We kind of know how to do this, but we're just gonna learn as we go. So looks like we're gonna need 2 Phillips. There's 2 Phillips screws, so we're gonna remove those. And we watched a YouTube video before doing this, and that one's very descriptive. If you want to watch that video, we're going to include a link in the description so you can watch that. Make sure we don't lose these screws. Alright, it looks like there's 3 different connectors hooked up to the back of this stereo. We're going to be using the 16 pin, which I'm assuming is a bigger one. So we're just going to follow the instructions. The pin is facing that way, and it shows what color of wire goes in what slot. So we're going to do just that. And pay attention to what way the taps are facing. It shows it really clear in the instructions, so just follow those steps.
Why is the check engine on? Check engine light on.
Oh, okay, I think I'm putting them upside down.
Ba-dum-bum. Are you licensed and bonded, sir?
No sir, I am not. Please don't sue me. Okay, never mind, just return it. We don't know how to do it.
Did it go in?
One did.
They're screwed because as soon as one goes in, they all go in. So this works.
Okay. No, it didn't go in. Yes. Okay, we got one in, boys.
We're them boys!
No, that one didn't either. You called it. You said that once the first one goes in, the rest would go in. What the hell? Okay, my friend is usually wrong. But in this case,
You're wrong. I'm usually right.
he's right. Not in the second part he said. About the pins.
Now, even publicly, you can acknowledge that most of the time, I'm mostly likely right.
Okay, so once you do that, you'll see more pins through the plug. Okay. Now we're gonna put it back together and we're gonna test it. We dropped one of the screws, but we're just gonna put one on for now just to test it, then we're gonna find it and put it back together properly. Okay, everything's plugged in the way it's supposed to, so now we're gonna turn the key on. Okay, to get to the aux, you hold the CD button and it will show it on your display. Now, if all you want is an aux connection, this is all you would have to do. We're gonna take it a step further and we're gonna use the Bluetooth receiver. Now what's nice about this is that it has a built-in microphone, so you can actually talk on the phone while you're driving and you'll hear them through the speakers and they'll be able to hear you. So let's give it a try. And we have success. So you can see it's playing. So now we're just gonna find that screw, screw it in the way it's supposed to be. We're gonna run this wire where we want it to come out through. And that's it for today's videos. Thanks for watching and have a good day.